Here, this RJO
Yep.
has solar also. Now we put panels, we got 4 panels, 2 on each side. It's $7,500. 2,000 watt lithium battery, charge controller, a 5,000 watt charge controller, which is a step up of our older one, 3,000.
Yeah.
4 panels. It's got a cabinet, wired, installed, ready to go, and it'll run your mini split. Now you can get more batteries, and you know what, Amanda? This is what most people are doing because the house is 15 grand.
$15,000.
They're throwing the amenities on. You can still get, think about this. This one here with solar, bay window, and a mini split, $27,500.
Good grief.
Oh. Yeah,
I
so
know.
it's a great price.
I know.
All right, so we've got till the 27th. Today is the 20th.
Okay.
This is my son's birthday out in
It
Colorado.
is your son's birthday.
We got 7 more days to do this. We're trying to get to 100. All these homes will be built in October.